Can I use my Chime credit builder to deposit cash? Hey everyone, let's talk about money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your hands on your money. You've probably heard about Chime and its credit builder card, right? It's a popular tool for those looking to build their credit. But here's the burning question. Can you actually deposit cash into your Chime credit builder account? I know. Cash is king for some people. It's tangible, it's reliable, and it feels good to hold in your hands. So, if you've got a fistful of dollars and you're thinking about boosting your credit score, you might be wondering if you can simply toss that cash into your Chime credit builder account. Well, let's dive into it. The Chime Credit Builder is a secured credit card, meaning it's backed by a deposit you make. This deposit acts as a security blanket for the lender, ensuring they get their money back if you default. It's a great way to build credit history, but it's not quite a traditional savings account. Now, here's the thing. While you can't directly deposit cash into your credit builder account, there are ways to get your money in there. The most common method is to transfer funds from your Chime checking account to your credit builder account. It's like moving money from one pocket to another, but with a credit building twist. But what if you're someone who deals primarily in cash? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Chime offers cash deposit options for its regular checking accounts. You can head to one of their partner retail locations and deposit cash directly into your Chime checking account. Once the funds are in your checking account, you can then transfer them over to your credit builder account. It's a bit more of a roundabout way, but it gets the job done. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building credit. Regular deposits and on-time payments are the name of the game. So, to answer the question directly, no, you can't deposit cash directly into your Chime credit builder account. But with a little strategic maneuvering, you can absolutely get your cash into that account and start building your credit. Now, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of people think that because their credit builder card looks like a debit card, they can treat it like one. But that's not entirely accurate. While you can use it for purchases, it's essential to remember that the money you spend is coming from the deposit you made. So, use it wisely. Another thing to keep in mind is that building credit takes time. It's not a quick fix. You'll need to be patient and consistent with your payments. But the rewards can be substantial. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even apartments. So, if you're serious about improving your financial future, the Chime Credit Builder can be a valuable tool. Just remember, it's not a magic wand. It's a step-by-step process that requires dedication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.